Jesus Christ, dude. I'm out of line, dude. I'm out of line. Welcome back, folks. We are at the Natick Dam today, going after some carp. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So much oxygen here in this dam. Foaming up the water, providing so much dissolved oxygen. And there are literally carp lined up there, so I can't wait to get at it. I've never caught a carp in the teens. I'd love to get one today. I got my light tackle, so I'm gonna cross over to the other side and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. You got the same rig? I'm gonna hit that little patch of shade over there with this rod, and then that patch with my other rod. Just like that. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna get this rod rigged up. Holy crap, dude. I'm onto a carp. Holy crap. Oh god, he's pulling line. Jeez. Look at this thing. It's a big carp, folks. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. He is running hard. Big carp, folks. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Oh, there's another monster on it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that thing. Man, what a gorgeous fish. Charles River, baby. You know, these fish, I'd usually be more careful, but they can stay out of the water for a long time. Look at that, baby. 12.66. Alrighty. Look at that fish. My God. I think it's like prehistoric. It's big carp. Huh? Big carp, I think. Nice. Just want to get going. All right.
How long you been down here today?
Oh, probably 2 hours. This is my second one.
Nice.
I've been trying all morning down in Natick in the falls.
Oh yeah.
Woo hoo hoo.
Yeah.
Don't go in the weeds, buddy.
Nice fish, man.
Oh, what a gorgeous fish.
Beauty.
All right, the net. Don't come off on me now. Come on out, all the way up. He's not in yet. All right, I think I got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you. That might be my biggest. Number 2. All right. All right. Woohoo! I'll go 1364. 13-pound monster. Thing's a Goliath. Look at him. Oh, what a gorgeous fish. Look at that tail, too. Prehistoric looking thing. My God. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, dude. I'm out of line, dude. I'm out of line. Holy crap.
Is that a fish on? Or you
Oh yeah, no, this thing's a freaking giant. Wow. Talk about a stalemate.
There's really big carp in here.
This is exactly what it is.
You think so?
Yep. It's a monster carp. He's not moving. There. Oh, he just popped it. Shoot. Snap the hook. Snap the hook.
Oh, wow.
There's something. See that? Nice and gradual. Oh, pulled it. Did I? No, I didn't. He's back. Jesus. Here we go again. Do not come off this time, buddy. Get out of those weeds. This is putting this rod to the test. I'm giving it all I have right now. Oh yeah, baby. It's another monster. Don't rub me up on that stick, whatever you do. What a freaking fish. Don't pop off now. There we go. Jesus Christ. Wow. This guy's much bigger than the first two. So hard to pick him up. He won't even fit out of the net. Oh, jeez, buddy. Will he even fit in the frame? I don't know. Gonna quick wait. I'll go 1730. Holy crap. Alright, so this is my third record of the day. Third PB carp. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Alright folks, that's gonna do it for today. It's not too many times you can say you broke your PB 3 times in a single trip, so I'm more than pleased with that. That was unbelievable. So stay tuned for some more, subscribe, and one more cast. On the outro, and something absolutely monstrous just ate this. Oh god, look at that line pull. Oh, this is on my heavy rod too. Jeez, I was just gonna call it a day. Wow. He's pulling line. Don't horse him. Oh, jeez, baby. This is definitely my biggest of the day. Whew. My God. Don't pull the hook. Epic battle. Don't pull the hook, baby. Out of there. Nice and easy now. I haven't seen him yet. I think this thing's a Goliath. Oh, it's a Goliath, baby. Holy crap. He's not done. He's not done. Take all the line you want, baby. This might be my first 20. This might be my first 20. Absolute epic fight. Wow. Jesus. Golly. Wow. What a fish. Absolute giant. Holy crap, dude. Full of eggs. Look. Can't even fit my hand nearly halfway around it. It's prehistoric. There he goes. Four PBs. That's gonna do it, I think. I got really messy from that. I had to go in the water. Absolute incredible day here on the Charles. Broke my PB 4 times in one trip. That is the most PBs I've ever broken of anything in one day. So subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. One more cast.